clear something up right away. Testosterone is not just a male hormone. Women produce testosterone too, and it plays a powerful role in our health, especially as we move through perimenopause and menopause. And for women living with type 1 diabetes, this conversation becomes even more important because hormones and blood sugar are deeply connected. Today, I want to break down what testosterone actually does in a woman's body, why levels decline as we age, and how supporting healthy levels can make a real difference in energy, strength, focus, and even insulin sensitivity. So why does this matter for women with type 1 diabetes? Well, many women with diabetes notice changes in their 40s and 50s. So you might be experiencing more insulin resistance, increased fatigue, loss of muscle strength, and often the response is simply, well, just take more insulin. Or maybe there's a magic pill to treat these symptoms that you're suddenly experiencing. But hormones are often part of the story. As estrogen declines, testosterone and other adrenal hormones like DHEA also drop. And this shift can affect how your body handles glucose and how you feel day to day. A woman's healthy testosterone levels support several important areas of a woman's health. First, muscle mass. So muscle is one of the most powerful tools we have for improving insulin sensitivity. And when testosterone levels decline, many women notice it's harder to build or maintain muscle, even when they are exercising and lifting weights. Second, libido and sexual health. Testosterone is one of the most common reasons women experience decreased sexual desire, especially during midlife and the hormonal transitions that are happening. Third is your mood and motivation. And many women describe feeling flat, unmotivated, or less resilient emotionally when testosterone levels are very low. And the fourth reason is brain function and focus, a role in cognitive clarity. And when levels are balanced, many women notice improvements in concentration, memory, and mental sharpness. And finally, something especially important for women managing diabetes is insulin sensitivity. Healthy hormone balance helps support metabolic health, which can influence how efficiently your body responds to insulin. And DHEA is another hormone worth mentioning. DHEA is produced by the adrenal glands and acts as a precursor hormone, meaning the body can convert it into testosterone and estrogen when needed. So DHEA levels also decline with age. And for some women, supporting DHEA levels can help improve energy, cognitive clarity, and overall hormone balance. So that could be your first step, is looking at what your current DHEA levels are. Just like testosterone, DHEA is something that should be carefully evaluated and monitored with a knowledgeable hormone specialist. More is not always better. The goal is balance, not excess. An important consideration, if this is something you're curious about, the most important step is working with a qualified hormone practitioner who understands both hormone therapy and insulin and how it's operating and being used. This practitioner should listen to your symptoms, run appropriate labs, prescribe low-dose therapy if appropriate, and monitor your levels over time. Hormone therapy for women is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's very individualized. And monitoring matters for women with type 1 diabetes. It's also helpful to watch how your glucose patterns respond when hormones shift. And if testosterone or DHEA therapy is introduced, pay attention to your fasting glucose patterns, your insulin needs, your energy levels, and your exercise recovery. Your body often gives you clues. And the takeaway today is testosterone is not just a male hormone. It's an important part of a woman's health, especially in midlife. And when hormones are balanced, many women notice improvements not just in how they feel, but in how their bodies function. And for those of us managing type 1 diabetes, supporting hormonal health can be another piece of the puzzle, because ultimately balanced hormones support balanced glucose.